In this video, we'll learn how to make your photos private on Facebook. Here's all you need to know about how to make the photos private. So let's get started. To edit the privacy settings for your photos, first go ahead and open our Facebook on your phone. Now, click on the profile icon on your top. It opens up to your profile. Now scroll down and tap on the three dots on your right corner of the post that you'd like to change the privacy settings for. Now select Edit Privacy. Once you're done, it'll bring you to this interface. Now you can tap Audience to choose who can see your album. Tap to select a new audience, for example, your friends. If you want your friends to see your photos, then you can go ahead and click on Friends. But if you don't want anyone to see the pictures other than you, select Only Me. And you're done. Now you can go back and refresh the feed and check. This time you'll see a lock under your name on the post you just edited. So this way your photos or album has been locked and made private. We hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials.